Okay, here's another update. Now I made the front pegs right here for it. Yep, I'm just about done welding stuff onto it. Now I'm getting to a point where I'm going to tear it apart and finish welding everything up. So, but let me see if I can get in front of here and it's not crooked, the bike's leaning. But yep, that's what I got so far. It's coming along. Tomorrow I gotta find a gas tank. That's one of the last pieces to the puzzle. And then and after I'm done welding, painting, then I'll make a seat. So, yep, that's it. Talk to you later. Well, not yet.